Alright, this is a dining room table ordered off Amazon. I'm gonna unbox it. Looks like that's the seats. Looks like the legs. I got the holes right there. This is the tabletop. It's kind of perfect. It's not too big for this small room. Not really sure what that is. For the chairs, probably. Legs for the chairs, or maybe the back of the chair. Oops. So you got two little ones and then four wider ones. Alright, looks like we got our hardware. Two more legs for the table. Looks like part of the chair. I think it sits pretty low to the ground, actually, but that's fine. So it looks like just the rest of it's the chair stuff. So I'm gonna get all this trash out of here and see any directions. Yeah, there they are. Okay, so it's got a warranty and directions. So I'm gonna definitely fill that out and then read the instructions, and I'll have another video when it's all put together. So see how it looks.